I'm sorry, what?
What'd you say?
Are you recording?
Yeah.
We don't have a fancy break.
But we're fancy.
But we are fancy.
Yeah. All right, last time we left you, we didn't weld this out. Well, we got some gas, and we're welding it out. Well, that bracket's in place.
Yep. Making the end pieces for the dog bones for the 6-link. Gotta recreate this again. We're going to cut them out and break them and drill holes in them to make it exactly the right size. One piece.
Before you drill, you want to make sure you do a center punch, and what I did here is we're making 2 equal pieces. So I center punched the top, clamped them together, and then I did a pilot hole. And then I followed it up with a step bit. Don't just jump into a big bit, you're gonna burn it out. So, yeah.
Don't do that.
There. Now that it's broke, it's 2 separate pieces again, we're gonna bend them.
Tight.
Get lucky, it'll just bend using a pair of pliers.
That's pretty warm. Oh, 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 honey.
Yeah.
We did it wrong.
We mounted the bag again, we put the 6-link in, and we made these dog bones. Everything's just tacked right now, and then we're about...
Well, not everything.
No, yeah, and then we're about to tack these in.
We gotta make sure this is parallel with the frame before we tack it.
And then we're gonna go to the other side. So that's what we're doing. Essentially, we went to what we considered ride height and made sure we had enough room for the dog bones so they wouldn't hit the axle. And we're kind of just winging it.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah.
If they're too long, then we'll shorten them.
Yeah.
Cause, I mean, it's just tacked right now, and we can cut half an inch off the bottom if we need to, or whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah? I think yeah.
Yeah.
Tight.
Yep.
Super tight.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
All right then.
Rad.
So yeah, I'm gonna weld these dog bones, if you will. That's kind of what I thought I was gonna call it. Now, I'm not so sure. It looks like a dog bone. No, I'm gonna take them, and then we'll be done with this, and then on to the next thing. And there's the dog bones.
They look like something else.
Or whatever else they look like. Go hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe, comment, and share with your friends. You can also check out our website at garagejunkyapparel.com. We have all our shirts available for purchase. We'll see you next week.